Hey guys, we're not under any severe thunderstorm warnings, but I want to see how or what way. Wait, what is that? Hold on. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna hit something. Okay, I don't think I'm going to. Is that like? Oh wow. I don't know, we might get up on this. Yo, was that a shelf? Yo, is that a shelf? I swear I just seen lightning in it. Oh my god, is that coming on us? Is that gonna hit us? Because if it is, it might get so windy. Yo, I'm actually kind of nervous right now. Holy crap. Dude, it doesn't even say it's supposed to rain for another hour, I think. I don't remember. Holy crap. What the heck? Yo, why does that look like a shelf cloud? That really looks like a shelf cloud. Oh my god. Dude, wait. No, I'm actually starting to... So wait, I might actually start getting excited if this is a freaking nasty storm rolling on us. Oh my god. It is getting closer. Oh my god, it just popped up. Severe thunderstorm warning. Destructive severe thunderstorm warning. 70-mile-per-hour winds possible. Oh my god. It is getting closer. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yo, what is in the sky over there? You guys see that? I'm hearing thunder. I think it's actually about to storm real good on us right now. Oh my god. Wait, is that actually a shelf cloud right now? Yo, because if it is, holy crap, that is literally going to come up right on us. Oh my god. It's literally also, parts of it is moving that way, so I think it's starting to strengthen. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That looks so insane. Oh my god, look at the sky. Oh my god, dude, it is gonna dump on us. Oh my god, dude, it is moving closer and closer. Oh my god, yeah, it's starting to form more over here too. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I just saw lightning. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is about to be bad, bro. This is about to be bad. 70-mile-per-hour winds. That's a little much for 70 miles per hour. Oh, okay. I think the sun's actually about to start going away. Joe, I was so confused at what it was at first. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my god, that is coming in hot. Oh my god. It is moving closer. And it just keeps on moving closer. This actually might start to really strengthen. Oh my God, it is actually getting bigger over there now. Oh my God. It's like literally, I've been watching it form for the past hour. I didn't believe it was going to be destructive. What? Already? No way. Dude, it might be. Oh, look. Rain over there. Oh, God, guys. This is direct hit. This is definitely. I don't know. Will we get in the bow echo? I don't know. We could get in the bow echo. I don't know. I mean, 70-mile-per-hour winds is pretty crazy. Holy dude. We might get in the bow echo, bro. Oh, my God. Look at it forming over there. Oh, my God. That is so black. Oh, my God. Look at how black that is. That is so dark. Oh, I'm hearing thunder, that's for sure. Holy crap. Oh. Yo. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Oh my God, yo. Wait, come on, let's go downstairs. Holy. Guys, come look in the front. There is something insane coming. Come look at the sky. Oh my God. That looks insane. It is getting really dark out here too. Oh. Yo, that's direct hit. So direct hit. Look at how far it spreads though. Oh. But the cool part is that this part is kind of moving this way, so it's definitely direct hit on us. I mean, if I already have a destructive severe thunderstorm warning, then yeah. This was not supposed to happen today. I mean, though weather is unpredictable, so. Oh my God, look at it in the. Holy crap, dude. That is insanity. Oh my. Oh, there's lightning over there now. Oh my God, dude. Look, you're starting to be able to see it over here now. Oh, wow. Look at all the rain. We're definitely about to get dumped on right now. Holy smokes. The sun isn't even out and it's still this dark. Oh my God. That, dude, it looked like a shelf cloud when it was coming in. Dude, it still kind of looks like it over here. And look at how calm it is. Oh wait, no, there is a breeze coming this way, if you guys can tell. Oh snap. Look at how dark it's getting out here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Holy wow. Okie dokie. Alright, we're gonna go back up to my room. Yo, we gotta go look at this. Oh my God, it is so dark out here. It is getting so dark. Yo, holy moly. Yo. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, crap, it's getting windy. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. It's getting windy. Holy. Oh. Holy. Look at that wind. Holy crap. Oh, that's bad. Yo. What the? Look at that. Look at the maple. Holy, it is getting cold. Oh. Yo. Holy crap. I'm getting sad. It's getting real bad. Huh? Oh my god. That is so direct hit. Oh my god. Yo, look at this. Yo. Holy. Okay. Oh, it's sprinkling. Yo, let's go to the back. Y'all hearing this? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Holy snap.